The Grace International Bible University, during a convocation ceremony, honored 20 graduates, including evangelist Moses Kofi Francis Ribeiro, for his contributions towards development through academia. The convocation, though intended to award the graduates of theology from the university, was also intended to climax the good work of Reverend Dr. Noati Kwashi, the founder and president of Shalom Indigenous Foundation Baptist Mission and Alive FM community radio in Yeji. Reverend Dr. Noati Kwashi, in an interview with Ribi News, shed light on the purpose of the ceremony.
A lot. We started a school, a theological school, trained some pastors. Some of the pastors are among the graduates today. And the work has grown. It's an international ministry. We have a wing in the United States called Grace Baptist Mission. The work here is headed by Mission for Shalom Indigenous Foundation. Some of you might have heard. We've done a lot of donations to institutions, 37 hospital, Ridge Hospital, police, all over, orphanages. But the goal is the establishment of the gospel ministry in Ghana. And our theme actually is making the gospel known in this country. So pastors have been trained. We have some work to do in the north. We have a radio ministry in the north called Alive FM. Some of you might have heard of it. It's all the wing of the ministry. I've written books. Today, the purpose is to climax all that I'm doing. Some of the students have actually encouraged me that you have been our instructor, our professor for so many years. Why don't you finish the cycle? So I have to look for the school that can help me achieve that. And Grace International Bible University, because they have someone in there that I train from BIPS. So today we are celebrating that victory for Christ, I should say. It is not to honor ourselves, it is to honor Christ.
Evangelist Francis Ribeiro, who took home the End Honorary Award, justified his success. He had a word of advice for the other graduates.
My contribution to the ministry, for which I've been recognized by Grace Bible International University, is the fact I've made impact both in education, I've made impact also in Christian work. What I've done over the years, which they were very much surprised at. I worked in villages, I worked in towns, I worked in schools, I worked with Christian groups. Mine was across the divide, just to get people get grounded in what we call Christian education, and then also academics. I taught in the senior high schools for about 40 years, and I think the impact that I've made to produce people for running Ghana has been tremendous. So they looked at all these things, they realized that it is worth honoring people who help to develop the country. You may not be known, but at least your contribution is still recognized because you make an impact. And I think it has made this day a great day because it's a day of celebrating accomplishment. And I'm very glad. And I believe that Gibu has done very well to bring this. So encourage other people to also know that whatever they are doing is not in vain. No matter how many years it takes, one day they will be recognized.
Addressing the graduates, Professor John Intredu, the commencement speaker, stressed that the casting away of demons and witches has outshined the purpose of Christianity and encouraged Christians to practice evangelism in order to make Christianity as relevant as other professions.
Studying theology is not for those who are called into the fivefold ministry, but I believe that every believer, why is it that the Bereans give themselves to study and we don't want to give ourselves to the study of the word? I am not saying go to Bible school, but these days when you talk about studying the Bible, it's a problem. But when you talk that we are going to arrest all the witches, and the wizards in the whole wide world, they will be very happy. We'll clap our hands. Be filled with the values of evangelical Christianity, so that there be pure aroma of Christ is diffused in everyone around us. With these other professionals like the lawyers, engineers, teachers, construction workers, accountants, doctors, nurses, etc.
A report by Manfred Owusu for News, Accra.